Within the first generation of Pokémon, species number 60 is defined by a single feature, a black and white swirl centered on its abdomen. That pattern isn't a surface marking, it is the creature's digestive tract, visible through a layer of translucent skin. This detail is pulled directly from the natural world. Certain species of real-world tadpoles have skins so thin and clear that their coiled organs can be seen by the naked eye. Formally classified as the tadpole Pokémon, it is a pure water type, standing 2 feet tall and weighing 27.3 pounds. This specific anatomical choice grounds the design in observable biology, treating the creature less like a cartoon and more like a specimen found in a zoology textbook. Its English name is a literal description of its movement, combining the traditional term Poliwag, another word for tadpole, with the wagging motion of its tail. In Japanese, it is known as nyoromo, which uses an onomatopoeia for something squirming or slithering through water. These creatures are found in quiet freshwater ponds and slow-moving rivers, environments that match their delicate physical build. Their diet is equally specific. They are known to feed on salvia weed, a plant found only on the bottoms of exceptionally clear lakes. Because its newly grown legs are too weak for walking, the organism is clumsy on land. Instead, it relies entirely on a flexible, highly transparent tail fin to generate powerful, propelling movement through the water. These physical traits dictate a survival strategy that prioritizes aquatic mobility, keeping the creature within the safety of the waterline. To protect itself, the creature has evolved skin that is thin and damp, but flexible enough that the fangs of predators often bounce right off it. The stomach swirl reacts to its environment. Depending on which side of the Earth's equator it lives, the spiral changes direction. It also serves as a health monitor. If the swirl turns white, researchers know the organism is diseased. In combat, its biology translates into high-velocity water attacks, utilizing moves like Bubble and Bubble Beam for consistent damage output. This offensive capability is even more pronounced in competitive formats like the Smog and Little Cup, where trainers utilize a strategy known as the belly wag. By pairing the move Belly Drum with an Oran Berry, this tadpole can maximize its physical strength and immediately recover its health, turning a fragile design into a dangerous heavy hitter. At level 25, the creature matures into Poliwhirl, growing functional limbs and losing its tail as it adapts to a more amphibious lifestyle. From there, the evolutionary path splits. Using a water stone triggers rapid muscle growth, leading to the fighting-type Poliwrath. If a Poliwhirl is traded while holding a King's Rock, it undergoes a different metamorphosis, becoming the frog-like Politoad. This system remains one of the earliest examples of a maturation cycle determined by the specific items and conditions a creature encounters. The species' presence extends far beyond the games, appearing as a staple companion for high-profile human trainers in the animated series. It has seen significant screen time, from Misty's capture during her Orange Islands journey to Go's more recent acquisition in Pokémon Journeys. Despite the existence of over 1,000 other monsters, Poliwag is famously the personal favorite of the franchise's creator, Satoshi Tajiri. This choice reflects Tajiri's own childhood in Setagaya, Tokyo. His intense interest in studying wildlife earned him the nickname Dr. Bug among his peers. He spent his youth exploring local ponds and fields, catching and observing insects with a level of detail that would eventually define his career. Poliwag represents the core of that vision, taking a strange, real-world biological detail and making it accessible to children around the world. Tajiri's focus was influenced by his diagnosis as a high-functioning autistic individual, which provided the intense drive necessary to catalog and create such a detailed world. This perspective allowed him to see common pond life as a structured, collectible system, forming the framework for the entire series. The design of a single legless tadpole has since maintained a worldwide multimedia presence across games, manga, and decades of television. It is a bridge between the lore of a video game and the actual natural history that inspired it. If you want to see more deep dives into the biology of your favorite creatures, make sure to like and subscribe. Tell us in the comments which species we should cover next.